Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we are looking at your brand new 2018 Toyota Corolla IM. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive hatchback in a stunning Barcelona red. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of upgraded 17-inch wheels. On the front there, you have your fully automatic headlights as well as your power folding side mirrors and those fun and sporty curves to match your style and personality. But why don't we head on inside and take a look at the interior features. Helping you into your Corolla is your handy key fob. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as the panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once, and to unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you also have the turn signal indicator on your side mirror there. Opening up the door now. Right off the bat, a really sporty interior with that black trim on the side with some storage and your power windows and your power locks. You also have your power adjustable side mirrors, that really cool fan detail, as well as your forward collision alert as part of your Toyota safety sense. You have a full set of all-weather floor mats to make sure your vehicle stays nice and clean when things start getting a little bit messy outside. And these awesome, sporty, soft interiors all throughout to tie all of that style together. But why don't we hop on in and start it up? Starting up your Corolla is simple. Just pull that key out and put it into the ignition. Foot on the brake and it'll start up for you here. That ambient lighting is great right off the bat. You have your lane departure warning right on your dashboard so you can focus on the road. You also have all your menu changers on your steering wheel so that you can move that around. On the side here you have your volume control, your hands-free calling, and your voice command. And there you see your lane departure warning, and your cruise control is available beneath. And of course, that really cool leather wrapped steering wheel. On the side here, we have all your media, which is equipped with AM FM radio, as well as your AHA radio, which you can download off of your phone as an app. You do have your Bluetooth audio with your Bluetooth hands-free calling as well. Taking a look down here, you have your super sweet dual zone climate control to set a different temperature for both your driver and your passenger, as well as your automatic climate control as well. Below, you have your heated seats, perfect for those cold winter months for both your driver and your passenger side, as well as your USB and auxiliary input and your 12-volt DC charger. This is super handy as well. You can cover that up to keep everything nice and clean with that storage beneath there as well. We have that beautiful black trim with that awesome leather on your shift knob, as well as your sport mode and your traction control. We see that leather again on your parking brake, and of course you need your cup holder for that morning coffee, and these pieces do come out as well to make it nice and easy to clean. In your center console, plenty of space to store everything you need, as well as a removable mat for easy clean as well. Here we see that top shelf for any smaller items that you want to carry in your vehicle. And over here on your glove box, you have all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Corolla. Taking a better look at that beautiful white leather trim, tying everything together inside of your Corolla. But why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Corolla. Taking a look, you have that rear windshield wiper for when things start getting a little bit messy out there, as well as your backup camera is available underneath. To release that cargo, simply press that button underneath and it'll open up to plenty of space to store everything you need in your vehicle, as well as a handy cargo light for visibility, as well as your 60/40 split folding seats. You have this handy hardcover that provides just the right amount of privacy for all of your cargo. And underneath this hardcover here, we have additional storage as well as your spare tire and all the tools and jacks you would need in case anything does happen. Closing that up now. There's this handy handle to pull that door down. And we'll take one more look at the back of your Corolla. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Corolla IM. With your CVT, it comes with that intelligence and shift mode to add that fun to drive experience back into your life. Your vehicle also comes fully equipped with your Toyota Safety Sense features like your backup camera as well as your lane departure warning. But come on in, take it for a test drive, see how it fits into your lifestyle. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail. And until I see you next time, drive safe.